It's the Handiemon. You got projects big or small, you give us a call. We do them all. So this is one of the funnest projects I've been a part of here recently, and I was tasked to come out and help relocate this chicken. So I thought about this plan. How am I going to get this chicken? How are we going to capture her? And I had to figure out I was going to bait her out. So I used some popcorn chicken. Get it? So I snuck up behind her with a fishing net there, wrapped it over the top of her, got her the first try. So wanted to get her out of that net, didn't want her to be too stressed in there. She's really a nice little hen. I believe they call this a barred rock or a Plymouth. Sweet little chicken though. Pretty happy about that. So this is, I named her Bossy. This is Bossy's first car ride. And we're taking her to go be
this chicken
relocated.
over maybe a half mile away. We're gonna release her over here with all these other chickens. We come pulling up and she will not stop looking at all the chickens. Just looking out there and looking out there. Well, Bossy, if it doesn't work out, you can always escape.
So there goes Bossy with her new chicken friends. So have fun, Bossy. It's been nice knowing you.
Superstar, monster standing aside while you're fighting the